In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect social accounts in HubSpot. To get started, first log into your HubSpot account using your usual login details. Once you're in, take a look at the top navigation bar. On the right-hand side, you'll see a small gear icon. This is your settings area, and it's where you'll manage a lot of the behind-the-scenes setup for your account. Go ahead and click that gear icon. Inside the settings page, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. This panel is organized into different sections. Scroll until you find the section labeled Tools. Under Tools, you'll see several options. Click on Marketing to expand it, and then select Social. This is where you control all of your social media connections and settings in HubSpot. Once you're on the social settings page, look for a button that says Connect Accounts. Click that, and a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up lists the different social platforms you can connect to HubSpot. You should see options like Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok. You can connect one, several, or all of these, depending on what your business uses. For this example, let's walk through connecting a LinkedIn account. Click on the LinkedIn option in the pop-up. You'll then be redirected to a secure LinkedIn login screen. Enter your LinkedIn username and password as you normally would. After logging in, LinkedIn will show you a screen explaining what access you're granting to HubSpot, such as permission to manage and publish posts. Take a moment to read through this so you understand what's being connected. When you're ready, click the button to allow or authorize the connection. You'll then be brought back to a HubSpot pop-up that asks which LinkedIn pages you want to connect. This is useful if you manage multiple company pages or profiles. Select the page or pages that you want HubSpot to access, then click Connect. You should now see a confirmation message in HubSpot, letting you know that your social account has been successfully added. Your connected LinkedIn page will appear in the list of social accounts, and you'll be able to start scheduling and publishing posts right from HubSpot's social tools. If you want to connect more social platforms, just repeat the same process for each one. Click Connect Accounts, choose the platform, log in, review the permissions, and confirm. Once that's done, you're all set.